Hi everyone. Today class we are going to discuss the diagonal scales. So in the previous class we are discussed the plane scales, right? So plane scales is the only zero point 0.1 to mark on it and a zero point 0.1 accuracy, and the diagonal scales or the accuracy is 0.001 accuracy. So that is difference between the scale in particular representations in the plane scale as well as the diagonal scales representations. So this is the question: draw a diagonal scale to read meters, decimeters and centimeters. It's long enough to measure up to 6 meters. Use representative factor of 1 is to 40. Mark a distance of 4.76 meters on this diagonal scale, right? So this is our problem, and the same thing, same procedure and same solutions. So the representative factor is equal to the drawing size by actual size. So drawing size is equal to the representative factor into actual size. So then the drawing size is equal to the representative factor is 1 by 40 into, so next one is the, is 6 meters, right? 6 meters means it will be converted into the centimeters. 6 into 100 equal to 15 centimeters. Then it will be converted into a millimeters, right? So equal to the 150 into 100, that is 150 mm, right? So then you can draw the, this is the 150 mm of a length of a line. You can draw it. The height of the particular of a diagonal scale is 50 mm. This particular of a box 150 into 50 mm. So this particular of the box you can draw it. Then you can mark on a distance of 4.76. So this particular of a line is divided into the 6 equal parts, because of it is mentioned up to a 6 meters. Okay, so this is our process of a diagram in the diagonal scale. Now we are going to draw in the this particular diagram in AutoCAD. Okay, now we are going to open the AutoCAD. Yeah, good. So after opening of an AutoCAD, so go to the new file, right? So AutoCAD, in this particular of a template you can choose the ACAD, and okay, yeah, good. So then this particular of a file is, you can save it into that in respective of a folder. So what about this problem name is, right? So this particular problem name is diagonal, right? Diagonal scale. So then you can save it. Now you can do the primary settings. Okay, so first one is the primary settings or units. First one, okay, so you can choose the decimals. In this particular of a decimals, choose the dimensions representations or 0.00, right? Okay, and insertion scale is millimeters. Okay, and next one is the, sorry, next one is D enter. Okay, in this particular of a dimension style manager, automatically it will be highlighted the standard. Go to the modify. In particular modify lines, please don't edit anything, and go to the symbols and arrows. So you can choose the arrow size is 3 and the text height is 4. Okay, go to the prime, this particular of a text alignment ISO standard, and text placement is above, in vertical is above, horizontal is centered. And next one is the primary units. In primary units, the decimal is, you can choose the 0.00. Okay, and next one is, last one is the okay, and set current, close. Okay, next one, third one is what, limits. 0 comma 0 lower left corner, upper right corner is the 297 comma 210, enter. Okay, so this is finished. The next one is the UCS icon, universal coordinate systems. Then no origin, n, enter. Okay, and next one is the general thing, OS, enter. Okay, select all automatically. Okay, and next one is Z, enter, A, enter. Okay, and next one is the, you can turn on the ortho mode. Okay, this is the ortho mode in command prompt below. You can turn on the ortho mode. Okay, So now I am going to draw a 150 mm of a line in the diagonal scale. Okay. So before going to do drawing, I am going to write some text here. Text, text, enter. Specify the start point of the text. The text height is, I am choosing the text height is 6. Rotation 0. Okay. So I'm going to write down here. The problem name is diagonal scale, right? Diagonal scale, right? So this is the diagonal scale. Okay. Press on escape. Okay. Next one is, so now you can type in the command prompt L, enter. Okay. So this is L. You can choose on the in your convenient place. You can click it. Then the length of the line is 150. Enter. Okay. So one horizontal 150 mm horizontal line is generated. Next one is, you can draw a one vertical line, length is 50. Okay, 50 is completed. Again draw a one horizontal line 150. Okay, then simply close the loop. Yeah. So one diagonal box is generated. This particular of a line, it will be divided into the how many equal parts? 6 equal parts, right? So go to select the one horizontal line box below this particular, select the objects to divide, the number of segments is 6, enter. Okay, so the number of segments, this particular of a line is divided, but it's not shown. Again type DDP type, you know it, right? Okay, next click on the cross style, point style, then okay. Then same thing. So next what should we do? Same thing again. So one, you can go to select the one vertical line. So select it. That particular line is highlighted in the blue color. Okay. Then simply type in the command prompt CO, enter. Okay. Then this, you can select the line and go to paste in the respective of a points. Okay, then press on escape. Yeah, yeah, it's finished. This is divided into the 6 equal parts. Okay, press on escape, then you can delete it, those points. You can delete those points. Then type text in the command prompt, then specify the start point. You can go and choose the empty place. I'm going to choose the text height is 3, angle of rotation is 0, enter. Then so you can write here 0 meters, and next one is the 1 meter, and next one is 2 meters, and next one is 3 meters, next one is 4 meters, last one is the 5 meters. Okay, fine. So in this particular of the 5 meters, then after completion of the text, you can click on the empty place, press on escape. Okay, then so again this particular of a line, this particular of a small, this particular of a line is, it will be divided into the 10 equal parts. This particular of a only left side box, 0 meters of the left side box, you can divide into the 10 equal parts. Okay, so before we are going to do divide a 10 equal parts, again you can type L in the command prompt. So you can draw a one more line. Okay, you can draw the one more line. Okay, so you can draw it one more line on this particular of an 0 meters of the box. Okay, so you can select that the particular of a box. Okay, because of this particular, only this line is highlighted, only this box is, it will be divided into the 10 equal parts, otherwise the entire line it will be selected. Okay, so for example, this particular line is your not be drawn, the entire length of the line it will be selected, so it will be going to the divide option is going to do very typical process. So that's why again we are going to draw the one more line in this particular of a 0 meters box. Then this particular of a box is divided into the 10 equal parts. Divide. So this particular of a box you can select into the divide a 10 equal parts. Okay, 10 equal parts into 10 number of segments or 10 and 10. Okay, you can see. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now you can draw the diagonal. Okay, in the command prompt L, enter. Then this particular of a first line. Okay, first line is you can click on the first point, and then you can draw the this particular of a corner. Okay, because of it is diagonal now, so that's why you can go and select the corner. Okay, so this is finished. Okay, this particular of a line you can select, then in the command prompt type co, enter, copy, enter. Okay, this particular of a line is you can copy, then simply paste into the with respect to the in another point, second point, paste, and third point you can go and paste it. Okay, and fourth point, and next one is the fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, eighth, and next one is the ninth. Yeah, so last one is the 10th. This is already created. Okay, so then you can delete the points, delete the points. Yeah. Okay, those points are we are deleted. So next one is you can draw a horizontal lines. Okay, 10 horizontal lines. So then the particular how to draw it, right? So after dividing the lines, so then go to choose the offset, then you can go to choose the offset, offset o, enter, offset. So specify the distance is, so offset distance is 5, enter. So you can go and select the bottom of a horizontal line, you can select it. Okay, then you can cursor is move to the upward. Okay, then again you can select it, this particular horizontal line, move to the upwards. Again you can select it, you can move to the upwards. Again you can select. So next up to, so it will be divided into the 10 equal parts. Okay, so you can again you can choose this because of it is the length of the height is 50, right? So each and every line is, so you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so it is also divided into the 10 equal parts, right? So what about the to mark on it? So first of all, so you can indicate the text. So points you can indicate it in the with respect to the horizontal boxes, text, enter, and click on the start point of the text. The text height is 1.5, enter, and angle of rotation is 0. Then this particular of the text is 1, and number indication 2 and 3, and next one is 4, and next one is 5, and next one is 6, 7, 8, and 9. So again you can type in the text, enter, specify the start point of the text. So text height is 1.5, enter, angle of rotation is 0, enter. Okay, so you can type 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, fine. You can click on the empty place, press on escape. Okay. So next one is you can mark on your distance of. So now you can mark on your distance of 4.76 meters. Okay. So you can mark it. So type DLI, enter. So you can choose this is the 4 meters with respect to the 7. So this is the 7. So this is 7 line and 6 is the point location is this one, right? So this particular of a point you can select it. Okay. The point in the command prompt, point type. Okay, specify the point in this particular 4.76, right? This is the 4.76. You can select it. This is the 4.76, right? So DLI, enter. Okay, so again you can select on here, then you can select the 4.76. Okay, so this is the actual 4.76 of a meters in that, right? So in this particular of a dimension, so this is the dimensions representation. Click on the particular dimensions, type ed, enter in the command prompt. This is the next, you can write 4.76 space m. Okay, press on or click on the empty place, press on escape. Okay, next you can type text, enter. Okay, specify the start point of the text. So text height is 3 and angle of rotation is 0. Then you can write here is decimeters, right? Decimeters, and this is the meters. Okay, click on the empty place, press on escape. After finishing of this particular diagram, so you can highlight the and outside objects. So you can select it first of all, then go to the in properties of a bilever, you can choose, and then you can choose the 0.40 thickness. Then it will be on, so customization option is there in command prompt below. This is the 4 lines are there in customization is it will be representation. So you can click on that. So it will be a line weight option is there, you can choose it, you can select it. So automatically this particular box is highlighted, this particular block dialog box is it will be shows. So for example you can it will be an off, it is not shown. So again you can click on it, so it will be shows. Okay, then you can click on, okay, automatically it will be highlighted. Yeah, so okay, so next this one is also you want, then again you can choose the same thing by layer 0.40. Okay, yeah, so this is our sum. Okay, thank you everyone.